guys, it's Julie. Welcome back to my channel. We're going to get right into it as usual. This is the look that I'm going to be doing in today's video. So if you're interested in seeing how I got it, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into this look. So as always, prime. And if you're new to my channel, this is the primer that I use just because it mattifies and I have really oily skin. Go in and start on my brows. I'll pencil and I just outline what I want them to look like. I'm taking my Anastasia brow pomade in the color dark brown, and that's what I will be using to fill in my brows. I'm going to go in with my concealer. The two concealers that I'm going to be using are Juvias Place. I'm going to be using the lighter one, number 12, underneath my brows, and then just a slight shade darker, number 11, on the top. I'm going to be using my Morphe M421 brush to apply that. Alright, so now that I have my concealer applied, I always take my Morphe M173 fluffy brush and I just blend it all together. Okay, so my brows are all blended, and I was going to do my face first, but I think I'm going to do that after I do my eyes just because I'm using bright colors. So I'm going to be taking the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer as my primer, and I'm just using the lightest color that they had just so that my light colors on my eyes can really pop and you can see them more. And then I'm taking the same brush I used to blend my concealer to blend that. The palette I'm going to be using is the 3503 Fierce by Nature by Morphe. It's just so bright and pretty. I'm going to be taking this peach color as my transition, and I'm going to take that and just apply that to my crease. Alright, so I'm going to go in now with this hot pink color, and I'm going to put those right underneath that creasing color on the outer edges. So right here and right here. And in the middle, I'm gonna put this, I don't know if you can see on camera, but there's like this really cute bright orange. So my finger for that orange color, like, oh my gosh, look at that, if you can see it. Like, camera's not doing it justice, but this is like neon. And I'm gonna put that in the middle And I'm gonna blend everything back out, so don't worry. I'm really trying to see how this is going to look, mainly. Doesn't look bad. So, blending time. Basically, go back in with that crease color, then it's like you just go in reverse. You just keep applying the color, make sure everything's nice and blended and everything looks the way that you want it to look. Alright, so I am all blended out. It took a minute, so I didn't want to film all of that. So this is the final product. Next, I am going to put liner on. So what I'm going to do, I have really curly lashes that tend to get in the way. So I'm just going to take some mascara and apply it downwards just so that they're not in my way as much. I don't know if all my other curly lash sisters have this problem, but it's hella annoying. Liner that I'm going to be using is e.l.f. liner in the color Charcoal. I like this liner just because it's affordable, and I like the wand that it has because I don't have a steady hand, so like my hand's constantly like going all the way, but this process is annoying. But I always struggle with my liner, but what I like to do is start from in the middle, and as you can see I got makeup all over my face, but I'm going to clean that up later. And I'm going to do the other eye, and then I'm going to come back and actually I'm going to do the other eye and apply my lashes, then we're going to come back and do my face. Alright, so off camera I did the other side of my liner and I applied my lashes. The lashes that I'm using are the Eyler London lashes. I wanted to give them a try and they're really good. I like them. They're really light too. But anyway, we're gonna move on to the face now. So first step is Blur Stick. This really helps with making sure everything looks so seamless, and you know, especially like areas with your laugh line and stuff like that. If you have really oily skin, I would suggest this just because I just like the way that my foundation looks with it. You don't have to use it, but it's just a suggestion. Just take my fingers and just push that into everything. I'll be using the Juvias Place foundation sticks. I am obsessed with these things just because I like the coverage, I like the way that it feels and looks. And I just apply. Alright, I'm going to take my brush, and the brush that I'm going to be using is the Morphe M439 big foundation brush, and I'm just going to blend that in by just fast motions of just like pressing it into my skin. Not really rubbing, but pressing all over. Juvia's Place again, and this is the concealer in the color 12. I got Zambia as a contour, but I don't know, I don't think it shows up on me that well. But I'm gonna try it again. Let's see what happens. Maybe I didn't use enough of it last time. And then you take your beauty blender. I'm going to spray a little bit of setting spray on there, and I'm using the NYX matte finishing spray on both. All right, then I'm just going to blend all of this in. I'm going to be taking my black Opal finishing powder in the color medium. That's what it looks like. And I'm going to be taking my beauty blender and just applying that where my concealer was. And I'm going to go back into the Fire by Nature palette. I'm going to be taking this green color right here. And I'm just going to take a small little brush and I'm going to apply that underneath my waterline. I hope this looks good. Okay. Okay, I like it. And my eyes are very watery, so I try to be careful when I'm applying anything close to my waterline, because I don't know if you can already see, but my eyes are already starting to water. So I'm trying to keep it out, because once I start crying, it's over. Whole look ruined. Alright, so I've gone ahead and smoked out that green, and I do like the way it looks. So I'm just going to be taking some mascara. I'm using the Benefits. They're real mascara. In my opinion, these are the best mascara that I've come across so far. Make my lashes so long. Like, look at that. And I'm going to be taking my Sephora Micro Smooth powder just to blend everything all together, and I'm using my big fluffy brush for that as well. I've decided I'm going to do just a little bit of blush, just a little bit, nothing too crazy. So, try to clean off my brush. Alright, so I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Sahara Blush Palette. And I'm going to be taking the color Tau, this color right here. Okay guys, thank you so much for tuning in with me for this video. I hope you like this look. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of me. I'm listing all the products that I use down below. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!